Hello guys, just a small episode. Want to boast a little bit. I bought a new tripod. That is the tripod with a special video head. It goes with a special bag. Also, it has two heads. So the tripod, the head for photos and the head for videos. So a tripod and two heads. I want to say many thanks to my subscriber from Germany. His name is Marco. Some time ago he sent some money to me, so he constantly supports my channel, and this time he sent money specially for the tripod. I wanted to buy Manfrotto, but very unexpectedly I found this tripod. So I don't know how to pronounce the name of this firm, but I think that this tripod is as good as Manfrotto, because Manfrotto I think is just the brand name. So of course they make very good equipment, but honestly speaking, a lot of money they take only for the brand. So this, I think, Chinese tripod is not worth. And I very hope that now the quality of my videos will be much better. You may use any tripod to film some still picture, but if you want to move the tripod from side to side, so you must have some special video head, because the camera will be shaking. It will not be as smooth as it is now. I'm very happy, first of all, because it was one of my dreams. I wanted to buy the video head, but all the time I thought, some other day. But today the day finally came, and I'm very happy to say that now we have a very good video tripod. So thank you, Marco, so very much for your support. Thank you. Sheffy, it's very cold. What are you doing there? Sheffy. Oi. Sheffy. +10. Right now we came to Dacha to put plastic bottles on small zucchini seeds, because in the evening and late at night they promise +4. So that is incredibly cold for summer, because a few days ago we had +30 and today +10. Windy and rainy, constantly raining. The wind is very cold. And that is Sheffy. Сейчас он тут будет отряхаться. Шефи, уйди! Уйди, Шефи! Отстань! Паразит! Sheffy is much better. He is still on a special diet and he's still drinking his pills. So from time to time he is eating grass, but that is his doggy treatment. All the dogs eat grass when they want to clean the stomach. Что идешь? Шефи, ко мне! Побежали.
We're always on the edge. We fight and make love at the same time. Would you break up just because I told you what I did last night? I recall the times you said you're sorry. Still, I'm not sure if you told lies. But I don't care, it's all forgotten now. We're holy when we touch anyhow.
Леша, отойди. Сколько стоит? How much is the fish?
Вот это 23 тысячи почти.
23? Это сколько в долларах? 3-4?
Ну, 30 тысяч,
400?
это, грубо говоря, $500. Поэтому там, ну, 400 где-то, да.
Give me a chance to make it right. Just let me touch you like the first time. We don't need answers to survive. Just let us keep on with the black guys. Give me a chance to make it right. Just let me touch you like the first time. We don't need answers to survive. Just let us keep on with the black guys. Somewhere in between our secrets, there's an imminent storm. It's unavoidable, yeah. But as long as I feel that you see me, I will pay no mind at all.
Whew. We were in the store, guys. Мужские пиджаки, сорочки, сеть магазинов «Сударь». Ой. That is how REKS looks inside. As you may see, very comfortable armchairs. Express. Half of the chairs look in that direction and another half in the opposite direction.
Модные фильтры.
Дамы пассажиры, поезд следует на станцию.
I was afraid to be locked inside. Напугали меня. Да ну нафиг, еще меня увезет и деньги платить. А где ж у них биотуалет? А, тут даже Wi-Fi есть. So they also have Wi-Fi, guys. Those are conductors. Спутник Фрязино. We go home. Alex, welcome back home.